This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download the Firefox browser. So I'm right here on the firefox.com, the main website, so I will put that URL in the video description. You can just click that and wind up here. So once you're on this main page right here, they've got quite a nice kind of minimalist page right here. You can get this, depending on your device, you can get it on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, of course, just by clicking those buttons. But they give you a nice big download button at the top, so why not? We click on that one, and just like that, the download should begin automatically, as they tell us here now. They will know your operating system, so whether you're on Windows, whether you're on Mac, it will download the correct version. Now you can actually click this one right here for another operating system, and they've got all of their different versions right here depending on platform. And you know, you've got the Windows versions, the Linux versions, and the Mac version. So it's downloaded the Mac version for me, as I'm a Mac OS. So that will save automatically depending on your the browser that you're currently using, to actually download a different browser. Like I'm using Google Chrome right now, so that saves on my Mac, that saves all of the folders and files directly to the download location. Now, depending on your browser, you will find the installer for Firefox browser right there. So hopefully you found this video on how to download the Firefox browser useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.